Hello hobbyist, my name is Sunil and I'm from CrownCraft Flowerhorn Junction. Today I'm just going to take you a small tour of my farm. So these are the home-bred King SRD fries, and these are the previous batch which is ready for sale. And this, I also have an imported Thailand imported KMLs and Kamfas, and I have this is the previous batch where it is already ready for sale, and it's around 2.5 3 inch and all good potential white eyes King Kamfas. Okay, now I'm going to introduce you to the King SRDs, which has been which was imported from Thailand. These are all the fries from Pokefish. So all the fishes are ready to be groomed at the right size. This is the right size to groom the fishes. So now these are all around 2.5 3 inches, which is all ready for sale. So let me showcase all the fishes we have right now, which is ready for sale. So this tank contains a mix of King SRDs and magma. So all around 2.5 3 inches, which is the right age to be groomed. All hyperactive fishes. Now I would like to introduce one of my favorite from Pokefish, the Monster Cock King SRD. So it's a hardly 3 inch, but very good potential and very active. So just wanted to showcase this, and this is my other favorite.
Amazing!
So this is my pearl head Kamfa F2, trying to do breeding with the Thai silk. Both are having very good potential, good coloration. So just we'll have to wait and watch for the results. I'll keep you posted. To introduce the breeder male. Majority of my SRD fries, he is the father of majority of my SRD fries. So this is called as Mr. 70. So I'll tell you the story about this some other day. So very interesting story about this guy. And this is the mother of majority of the fries which I showed in this video earlier. And also have golden trimax. This is also one of my breeding female. I have a female, who looks like a male, but very potential female. Now I'm going to introduce you all to the VIP grade, breeding pair. So it's a dual tone magma along with Zenzu female. So expecting the eggs shortly, and I'll keep you posted with the results within a week or two. Thank you very much for spending your precious time in watching the farm tour. So if you really like any of the fishes and if you need to own that, please do contact me, or you can directly DM me on the number which is displayed on the screen. Or if you stay anywhere close to Yelahanka or Vidyaranipura, you can visit the farm. I would be very happy to welcome you at the farm. So thank you very much again, and have a great day ahead.